The belief is a blossom named after the Muslim call for prayer represents a spiritual connection between people and God. Leader TV explains.
Azan is the Muslim call for prayer. Throughout the Muslim world, muezzins, the conveners, call the believers to pray 5 times a day. The sound of Azan is believed to have benefits for the human nerves, but people in the Shakir region of Azerbaijan say the Azan is a feeling not only to humans, but also to nature, as each of them is special for him. I make no distinction between them, otherwise I'll not be able to look after all of them. Even I'll not be able to collect them. But he says he has something interesting among his collection. This is Azan Flower. The flower beloved among the locals blossoms under the voice calling for prayer. Yes, we are astonished by the extraordinary natural phenomenon, but the mysterious example is only one of them. This report is prepared by Fuat Tagizadeh, Leader TV Azerbaijan, especially for CNN World Report.
I don't believe...
Hurry to success, rise up for salvation. Hurry to success, rise up for salvation. Allah is great. Allah is great. There is no God except Allah.
At the Isha prayer call.
Hurry to the prayer. Rise up for prayer. Hurry to success, rise up for salvation. Hurry to success, rise up for salvation. In the name